Okay, I think we're live, and hopefully I'm live. Anyways, took some time off from building this thing out because I was having so much trouble with getting the cloud functions working that it was just a lot, and with how much was like going wrong or not making sense, it just kind of like made me feel bad. So I just like took some time off from it. But that being said, I've been working all day to get it to at least not uh give me errors. So yeah, it's not giving me errors anymore, and I'm gonna be working in my cloud functions like index.js to um make something happen. I think I'm at a pretty good starting point to start like streaming and stuff. So without further ado, let me jump right into it. And this is what it looks like currently, but I've done some stuff in here. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to close all this out, all this out. But this is what the index uh, .js file looks like in here. And I don't exactly know what's going on, but I'll soon learn what's going on because right now, what I have in here, I have at least something in here that is a cloud function that's firing off and whatever. It was a template one, but at least it's uh, doing something in here. So that's a good start off point. But what I wanted to do is actually what I can do is I can type this out. I can comment this out in here. What I want this to do is I'll keep these because I may need these. I'm actually gonna need this. Um, and I'll explain. But what I want this to do is to first off at 12 a.m. every day run whatever this is and take my API key from .env file. Uh, wait. I wanted to take. I do want to take my API key, but wait a second. Maybe it's too dark in here. Okay, hopefully that brightens some stuff up. But um, I wanted to take all this stuff, but then I've been looking at the documentation of how to get a verse of the day from the API, and it says that I'm gonna need this right here. I don't I don't know how vital that is because I don't know. It's complicated because this is like an inline script tag in the HTML, but I'm gonna be in here doing this, and this is just an index.js file. This isn't HTML. So I don't know. I don't know. What I wanted to do is basically what it's doing in here, but then translate it to pull all this data and to make a document in the Firestore with the data that it pulls from the API. So at 12 a.m. every day, just overview. Um, Store the data to Firestore, and then from there, yeah. And then from there, it's already in the Firestore. So I can just read it with every visit to the website. I can just read it from the Firestore. The only thing that would be on the Cloud Function side, starting off, is just to get the data from the API with the API key. But let's just start off simple like that. And hopefully things don't crash or get too hectic, even though they will. But yeah, I'll start off. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. But this, I've chat GPT'd this, and it kind of doesn't even make sense as to what it does. Like, pubsub dot, like, something about that just doesn't make sense. Oh, wait. I can actually, no. Wait. Oh. Wait. Is it this? No. Is it that? Okay, wait. What this is doing is, oh, I don't need that. Right? I don't know what about that was. I think I was just missing that. But, mm, I'm not sure what the time zones of that would be. I'm taking that out. I'm taking that out. Like, I'm taking that out. Because, like, the time zone, I kind of think will be kind of arbitrary because people in different time zones, like, it could be 12 a.m. in Texas, but it could be 1 a.m. in New York. Yeah, that won't work. That won't work. Because it'll never really be synced up. So the time zone really doesn't even matter. Um, um, So, this says pub sub, but like, sorry. Let me just ask this. And hopefully that makes sense. The on schedule. Instead, you can achieve daily execution at using. Here's how. Navigate to the APIs. Is this right? Wait. I'm kind of surfing through this. Hold up. I'm kind of surfing through this. What's up? Ask away. Also, thanks for joining. Oh, I'm building it just for personal reasons. One, to build my own like personal faith that I want to build in this year, but also to just improve uh, in web development to learn APIs and stuff like that. So kind of killing two birds with one stone, but hopefully I can get this done in a timely manner so I can move on to like other projects and stuff, but no church in particular. Nah. 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 But thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I think I messed up. Oh, this is behind. Oh, sorry, y'all. Um, I don't know if this is right. Would I really have to go in there? Thank you, thank you, thank you. And in me doing this, I don't want to push any like beliefs on anybody. I keep on saying it, but new people may be coming in. But in me doing this, I don't want to push anything on anybody. But at the end of the day, I want to at least document my journey as far as like really starting to like build my faith, but also the journey of like learning software stuff like APIs and stuff like that. So yeah, yeah. Should I go in here in the console? My GCP console. Let's go for it. I was asking about your faith personally, not the app necessarily, but it's fine that if you want to keep that private, I won't bother. No, you're not bothering me. You're not bothering me at all. Um, I'm admittedly uh like very, I don't even know how to say it. I would like to learn more about like scriptures and stuff like that, more about the Bible. Um, which is why I'm building this to like familiarize myself with scriptures and stuff. Because as of right now, I don't know anything about any books, any versions, any chapters. I can't recite anything. Like, I can't do that. But um, even if I did like read certain like passages or whatever, it wouldn't make sense to me because the way that my brain works, um, the Bible is a book. So I would want to read it from like Genesis 1 onward. And I know that's not how you're supposed to do it, but like in my head, I want to do it that way so it makes sense. But that's not how things are done. So I'm going to be pulling like a verse of the day uh from the API that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using AI to summarize it for me and to give me a prayer according to the verse that I get each day. So yeah. Uh how long it would be to finish the project, or how long it would be to um wait. How long it would be to finish the project, or what are you asking? Wait a second. Wait. Why can't I ever get to the GCP from like this? That's so weird. That's so weird. Oh, both how long you've been a Christian and how long you expect to work on the app. Hopefully, I don't plan on working on the app for too long, but hopefully get it in a usable state by the end of this month. But as far as how long I've been a Christian, uh, my whole life, but like passively, if you know what I mean. Like I haven't like really delved into like being like memorizing scriptures and stuff, but I really want to take control. Oh, sorry. I really want to take control of like actively learning about scriptures and stuff. So yeah, yeah. But um, hopefully this works. Cause so this is an actual thing. This pub sub thing. I don't understand what this is. And okay, Sebastian's. I don't know how technically. Wait, what category am I in? Like I don't know how what your background technically is um in software, but I'm new, so this is probably gonna be hard to watch. So yeah, yeah. Um, that's all I can say. It's probably gonna be hard to watch. So Where can I? Where did it say to go? Cloud scheduler. What? Wait. This doesn't say anything about going into the GCP console and activating anything, but only touch cloud with a. Yeah. Many people prefer that I've talked to. They prefer like building their own stuff, but I really like Firebase. So I guess I'm really ingrained into the GCP ecosystem. That's my backend of choice, but I would like to learn other cloud providers or even learn how to build my own cloud. It's just a matter of me being more experienced uh, and not being so afraid to like mess up. But the problem is, uh, with me streaming and everything, I'm always scared of like messing up. So yeah, I don't know if I'll ever get to that level, but in due time, in due time. Um, yeah, yeah. But then again, there's always like YouTube videos about how people are addicted to cloud computing and stuff and like villainizing it. But I mean, if people like it, people like it. Mm. Google Cloud V2 doesn't offer that. However, every day, I think I already have the pub sub thing. Let me try to see if that works. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yes. Yes. Okay. I don't understand what this is saying, and hopefully it doesn't run up the bill. But I'm gonna go back here, do this. Hopefully I have another one. I don't. I don't. Or has this even completed? Yeah, it has completed. Open this up. Huh? What? I've already initialized everything. Hello? Hosting is already set. Wait a second. So with all this, wait a second. I think I undid something. I'm gonna have to reinitialize this whole thing. Oh well. Mm, let's try to do this again. But uh, it's not a function. Okay. What can I'm gonna ask what the code for the first option would look. Okay. It's telling me to go back to here. Or hold up. Let me duplicate this. I'm kind of all over the place, but like cloud scheduler. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for interacting and thank you for being you. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Um I stream at this time. I'm from Texas. So I stream at this time. Uh I try every day, but hopefully hopefully I can see you again. So thanks for joining though. Hopefully I didn't gulp into the mic. My bad if I did. And define a name or description for the job. Wait. What would the name be? I'm bad at naming things. Let's just call it verse. Do that. Verse. API. Frequency. Did it tell me? Hmm? Mm, how would I do that? Mm, mm. This had. I don't understand this at all. How many minutes are in a day? Hold up. Okay, this is kind of stupid. I don't understand this at all. It's stupid and I'm stupid. I'm doing it the other way. Create a cloud function. Go to the cloud functions in here. I'm not doing this way. Dismiss promotion. Cancel this. Whatever. See, I have this. Now, create function. Second gen. I should put what? Whoa. Create function. Or cloud event. Or cloud event. That doesn't. Nah. I'm going HTTPS. Write your function code that will be. What? Okay. The code of it. Oh no. Neither of these are gonna work. How did this get? And how did my entire like project get blown up? Because this was already all this stuff was already like initialized and everything. So I don't understand how that got blown up. Storage was there. Okay, storage is here. Hosting was there. Hold up. I guess I'll just. Mm, this is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking at right now. Oh, wait. Okay, thank God. I didn't put that up there. But I mean, do I have it in my package? Wait. Do I have any of this stuff in my package? Install Firebase. Interesting. So, right here, npm no idea why that doesn't, why it wasn't already there. Okay. Sorry that it's just so slow, but okay. I can always come back to this. I don't need this. I don't need that either. Cool. Cool. Hopefully we're back. Hopefully we're back. I would love to just try this now. It's not a function. How's it not a function? Let me take this pub sub out of here. What? Because, one of the tutorial ones. What is this? It keeps saying that. What? Okay. I'm just gonna pull all of this. Now, everything in here, cool, good. Okay. Now, it should. Oh, wait. Why? Oh. My bad. I don't know if it would create another one in here or not, but we'll see. Oh, I don't even have my music on. I wonder would I be able to see it live here? Nope. At least not yet. Well, while that's working, I don't know what to do. I just have to wait. Fingers crossed though, cause yeah. And then at this point, okay. GZ something else. It's the same one. It's the same one. Deployed at. Cool. Now. There's this. But I also need something in here. Okay. Let me try Gemini. Because I don't think ChatGPT is going to work on this one. So, using... Is Is it called Cloud Functions V2? Get out of here. Actually, let me just keep this one open. But, okay. Like, it keeps on doing this. On publish. Hold up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's the documentation on this? Because this has documentation. This has documentation on publish. That doesn't even exist, I don't think. I may be off, but these things don't exist. I'm not sure how I would do this, because I guess I'm going back to creating this job thing. Okay. Google Cloud. Create a job. See, my thing is because this format, I don't understand it. Runs every minute of the midnight hour. What it gave me before would 0, 0 every day, every month. So This is all wrong. Now what does it say? Okay. So every day. Cool. Every day. This says every month. And this says every day of the week. I hope I have that correct. Because I don't want this to fire every single, you know. United States. What are my options? North Dakota. I thought Detroit was Central Standard Time. Okay, now that I'm in here, create a job, pub sub as my, I don't trust this, but whatever. Pub sub. Create a topic. Daily trigger topic. Oh. In the schedule section, select every day. What? Use a schema. Okay. Add an attribute. No. These things don't make sense. It's just so disjointed. Okay, it says create a new topic. What schedule section? Oh. I'm not doing this right. I know I'm not. Okay. I think I've gotten past the first thing. This code, it can't be right because this has no documentation. Go to the cloud functions, create a okay. 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 Replace your boiler code with the following. I would. Okay. Next. Okay. I don't. I guess. I don't think it is going to deploy though. I don't think it is going to deploy. Go back here. Hello. Please try again. Oh, okay. And I can't read this. Okay. I really just want the functionality of saying, like, hey, just do this at midnight every day. I can't believe it's that hard to, like, make that happen. Cloud scheduler. I'm gonna delete all this. Cause, nah. Delete it. Cool. I want to use V2. I may just have to read the documentation. It's gonna take a long time. It's gonna be very boring. But what AI is giving me is garbage. Literal garbage. Because, yes, it gives me this. Let me see if it even works with this. Let's try it. But it gives me an error every time it comes down to here. So we'll see. That's what it did last time. Okay. Creating and updating. Hopefully it actually works. So I can have multiple ones. Oh. What? Oh, this might not be done. Sorry, y'all. It's just still. It's just still creating. Um.
I wish I had something like
Quick to do. Oh, never mind. I don't know if that did it or not. Hello? This.
what?
Where'd the document get created at? Hmm. Okay. Now, let me just skip all that and actually read. Sorry, y'all. It's gonna be very boring. It's gonna be a reading stream. I wish there was some kind. Oh, wait. Hold. I wish that there was some kind of. Like. Things that I can import from here. I wish that kind of documentation was readily available here. Like, of all the things that I could import, like the logger, the on request, the all this stuff, I don't know where to find it in here. But I guess I'll stumble upon it. I don't know. But that would help a ton for newer developers to like know what they have in the toolbox. That would help a ton. For this sample in part because these background triggers can be thoroughly tested through the emulator. Pub sub. So there is a pub sub. There is a pub sub. But that's only for I'm just trying. What is this though? Okay. Oops. I just don't know what this is. I'm just playing with it. But I don't know what this is. We can go back to whatever that was. I don't know what that was. But, okay. I have all this done. I have all of this done. I have all of this done. Boom. Import the required modules after you have completed the setup tasks. You can open the source directory and start adding code as described in the following sections. For this sample, your project must be imported, or must import it provides a powerful way to. Let me scour this a little very quickly. Not really what I'm looking for. It's an HTTP endpoint. Any request to this endpoint results in request and response objects passed to the request handler for your platform. Where is that in there? Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Oh. Okay. But I also saw something here. What if I do everything from import everything? Let me keep this up because I want to keep on. Let's do that. Do that. So. And import everything as let's just try it. Dot, and that's it. That's so stupid. So this pub sub stuff that's trying to feed me doesn't even. Sorry, my mic's been out. Oh. That makes sense. That makes sense. The URL. You should see a following line. Like project ID as well as a region, though you don't need to worry about it now. It's in production. Just specify a location. Where the text is stored. Okay. Okay. Logs. But if I look in my database, I don't see anything. So that makes me wonder if this even works. This is cool, this is awesome, this is whatever. But this is supposed to make something in my ad. Okay, fine, hold up. Let me make a collection, call messages. And let's see. Blah 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 blah. Actually, let's call it that. Whatever. Boom, we're here. Let me go back here and make another one. Let's see what it does. I can close this out because I'm already in my GCP. Garbage. I don't need this anymore. Oh, snap, it actually worked. Oh. Okay, all I had to do was make it. Okay. So, instead of trying to do this, could I make a... Thank you. Could I make a listener in... in just plain JavaScript to listen for, like... Not a listener. This has got to stop giving me this. I may be able... Huh. From your app. Calling functions directly. Jesus. Okay. Oh, hold up. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Um, Let you call functions directly from a Firebase app. To call a function from your app in this way, write and deploy, and then add client logic to call the functions from your app. It's important to keep in mind that the HTTP callable functions are similar but not identical. Okay. I might have to research what on-call does. Hmm. Request. Where's logger? Okay. Okay. Okay, there's gonna be quite a bit of logic. So let's try it again. But let's see if it makes a new one. Does it make a new one? I guess we wait, but This should update in real time. Yes? Huh? Hold up. Mm. Oh, did I not? Let me watch this. Huh? No changes detected. You're kidding. Maybe I'm not understanding how this works. But okay, maybe I should. Let's try that. Why is it skipping? What? It has no reason to skip. Hmm. Oh, crap. Hey. Okay. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's because. Wait. Let me delete these. And let's see what it does. I don't keep on doing this, but I really need to like figure out why it's doing what it's doing, and like let me Google this, or at least try to like YouTube it.
Let's try it. These are all 5 years old.
These are all 5 years old. All the ones that I'm looking at. I'm pretty sure it's this V1. And he's using real-time database and stuff like. Let's try this.
Just a couple days ago, Google Cloud Platform announced the beta launch of a very useful new tool called the Cloud Scheduler. Firebase developers can use it to schedule cloud functions to run at a specific point in time or on a time interval. Today you'll learn how to use the scheduler, and I'll also throw in a few pro tips to make development of scheduled jobs as smooth as possible. If you're new here, like and subscribe, and you can check out the full source code on angularfirebase.com. Running cloud functions on a schedule has been one of the most commonly requested features, so I'm super excited to now be able to do that. There's all kinds of different use cases for scheduled jobs.
Did this ever get executed? Wait, whoa. Where did it? Oh. No. Man, alright.
Jobs, but what I'm going to do today is combine it with Twilio to create a function that will call my cell phone every 5 minutes and remind me to have a good day. In other words, we're going to build our own robocaller.
Hey Jeff, I just wanted to remind you to have an awesome day.
Thank you. So first let's take a look at the Cloud Scheduler tab on the GCP console, and you can see that setting up a job is pretty straightforward. You can trigger jobs in one of two ways. You can either send a data payload to an HTTP endpoint, or you can send it to a pub/sub channel. In most cases, I would recommend setting up your jobs on a pub/sub trigger. The primary reason is that pub/sub channels are secure by default, meaning only authorized Google services can send data to those channels. In contrast, HTTP triggers are public to the world, so anybody that has that URL could potentially trigger your function.
So should I do it in a pub/sub? Or an HTTP? Because I would be doing my work in here. Theoretically. But, oh well.
And before it's actually scheduled. Now, the other thing you'll notice here on the console is that you set up the schedule using a cron table. This is just the standard format for scheduling cron jobs in Unix-based systems. It's not something you really need to know because there's tools like crontab Guru that allow you to write out your schedule in a way that a regular human can understand. So now we're going to write a cloud function that is triggered on a pub/sub message, and we'll hit the Twilio API to make a voice call to my personal phone number. So we're here in the functions environment, and the only special thing I've done is installed Twilio's Node client library. Then I've also added a series of environment variables to our function for the to and from phone numbers and also the client API keys. All that information is contained on the Twilio dashboard. I'm not really going to get into that because I just want to set this up as an example so we can schedule it on a time interval. From that point, we'll go ahead and take our API keys and then initialize the Twilio client. And then we'll set up a cloud function that's triggered on a specific pub/sub topic. Anytime a message is sent to this topic, this cloud function will be invoked. You'll want to make a note of
This is kind of trash, but whatever. I can comment this out for now, but what I would like for this to say is in here. What did this say? Logger.log this and hopefully this works.
I don't think I can use
V2, unfortunately. Why? Outside of module, what are you talking about? What? Okay. Oh, hey Dev. Sorry, I was kind of locked in, but uh oh. Uh not so good, not so good, but I'm trying. I'm trying. Thanks for thanks for joining. Um trying. Hold up. What? I would like. What if I? That's not. mm. Nah, because uh-uh. As Firebase functions. From Firebase functions. Yes. Okay. Probably don't need this. Actually, wait. Uh, let's try that. But that still kind of doesn't fix that. Let me see what kind of error it's. Import outside of a module. Import statement outside of a module. Nothing's going my way. Huh. This is literally what it is in the video. Could I possibly have to... No. Sorry. And I'm not doing that. Yeah, it's still Angular. Yeah. Mm. How would I... Okay. Pub sub, pub sub, pub sub. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. This may be something. How did your camera move? Oh, well, it's I have an iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and I think that's just a feature on there. So when I come down here, I use OBS like you do, And I do this little drop down right here. I use a Mac. Maybe that's the reason why. But I use a Mac, and it's a feature called Center Stage, and I can turn it off, and it just does that. But I can turn it back on, and then it snaps back to me, and it just follows me for wherever I go. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I might, I'm, I think about taking it off all the time, but I leave it because it's kind of convenient. You know, if I ever just like leave the shot, it'll always follow me. So, thank you, thank you. On schedule. Wait a second, we're kind of getting somewhere. Wait. On schedule. All this is on schedule. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of the series. Thanks for joining. That should work. But I don't understand that. That's what I don't understand. What did that say? Oops. Time zone isn't there. Nah. Run that. Why are you not? Oh, man. For some reason, that's not showing up now. I don't understand it. Huh? It's not a function. How's that not a function? It's literally right here. V2 scheduler. Once a day at midnight. Oh. Oh. I could still use that. Okay. I don't have to use that. It's all in here. What? Oh, comma. Let's try it. Let's try it. What? The following functions are found in your project but do not exist here in local source. If you are naming a function or changing its region, it is recommended that you create the new function first before deleting whatever. Hopefully when I get back here. Scheduled. Okay. Okay. This is why you read documentation. I think I've gotten to a place where at the very least hold up. At every minute, yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's try that. And then let's also look in my logs what this is doing. Does it work yet? Man, come on. I want to at least make sure this is running so I can turn it off. Operation. No. No. Okay. Every minute. I'm gonna this. I need this log to say like, hey, verse of the day. Where can I find that at? No, that's not it. Oh, was this it? I think this is it. Hey, chat. Text payload. This is it. This is it. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it, or let's wait for it again. Okay. Come on.
Can you see my cat?
Hey Diego, what's up? What's up? Let me try to fix YouTube chat in the meantime. Oh my god, my cat is sitting on my stomach.
So it'll show up. Sorry for the spam, but it's not. My YouTube chat is so messed up. Cause I wanted to show like on the screen, like right here. But the bot isn't in there to grab the data. Well, I can see what you're saying. Oh my goodness. The chat rate is 109 messages a second. Yeah. I can see what you're saying, but yeah. Actually, you just joined whenever we were making some progress. Over here. Because prior to, I wasn't getting any kind of. What's happening? I wasn't getting any kind of progress going, but now I think I'm in a good space now. So I'm using Google Cloud to I'm in here to look at the logs because in here I'm using Cloud Functions to log out verse of the day, which is right here, just to make sure that it's working. But prior to doing all of this, I was trying to figure out how to use like a pub sub thing that it was trying to give me, but it didn't even exist. AI was trying to give me like a pub sub thing, and it was conflating V1 and V2, and it ended up not even amounting to anything. So I had to read the documentation, which led me to here. And like I said, kind of rip this, and just to make sure that it was working, because it's already here. But I'm in the GCP console right now to make sure that it's working. But it is working. So yeah, we're good. We should be good. Let me make sure that it's not sending anymore. Okay. I've updated this. Now I have the backbone of like what this is going to be, which is at every day at midnight, I want to run logic that will return a verse of the day, which is this. So, this is going to be kind of hard. It's going to be a lot. Okay. I wonder if I can even do this. Wait. Probably not to you.
But to me, this is hard.
Because, okay. This. Const key equals all this process stuff dot env dot. Hold up. I need to get the name of it. There we go. Close that. Bring that back over here. This. I need to. How do I pick a Bible ID? I think it's this one. There we go. Let's try. Also, yeah, this is going to be an array. Actually, yes. Yes. I really do enjoy it because, like, it just has so much, like, structure about it that it makes it a lot. It makes web development make sense a lot more rather than React, which is kind of like build something real quick and go on to the next thing. And the more that your app matures, the messier your code can get, simply because like you can do whatever you want in React. But Angular has its own way of doing things. So I like Angular's way of doing things. Will you insert the verses on your database and select a random entry from it? Well, with each of these, what I want to do is take, like, have a drop down of like which Bible someone wants to use, and then pull it from there. Actually, I'm not even gonna complicate it too much. I'm just gonna do this for now, and then as I get the basic version of this down, I'm gonna figure that out later. But my theory or my plan is to have multiple versions of the Bible ready for someone who wants to use different versions of the Bible. But I'm gonna go with the King James version right now, just for simplicity purposes. Can I get key? Whatever. I'm not gonna mess with that. Okay. HTML. This is all I would need. Cool. Make sure to fill your own API key on the first line. There are many ways to get a list of verses for verse of the day. We've chosen to hard code this list. In this example, a verse. And just add a column for the, and then pull a random entry using that column. But I would still need these in an array, if I understand what you're saying properly. There will still be an array. Yeah, I don't think I'm ready to do that right now.
I just want like the bare bones version of this working.
And then hopefully I can get to that level. But is Trojan at random on every page load? You can create an object with, I really wish it would show up on my screen, but you can create the object with each version as a key and the token as the value. Wait. You mean uh-oh. This is gonna, and what's ESV? What does that even mean? I was making sure that English Standard Version. Do they even provide that here? No. Hmm? Six one 6-1. It's not even English. But this is what you mean, right? Let's try this. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know of any other Bibles that I would use. Nah. I don't know of any other Bibles that I would use, so I'm just gonna stick with these two. I think now versus verse index equals okay, and then verse ID. To keep the same verse all day, you can use the day of the how many? Let's try this top way because I don't know 31 passages that I would be using. So, yeah. Hold up. Hopefully that works. Yeah. Hopefully that works. Pretty soon. But to the page, we'll define get results function soon. But first, we'll use the function to update the HTML with the result.
Well, when it comes to
Passages. Where are the passages coming from? Where is this what? This is what I can do in here. Actually, this is what I can do. Oops. Yeah. Hopefully that works. That works better. Am I doing this the right way? There we go. Now, I would just say, oh, that.
right?
Because wait, whoa. That would be key. This right here would be key. I think. Let's try to do this. Just for time's sake. Let's try to do that. And come over to... No! Huh? Yes. Yes. Is that a bad thing? I like Copilot. I don't know, but they may not give the best. The best
Answers all the time.
I think it's $10 a month. I believe it's $10 a month. Pricing. Oops. GitHub Copilot. Huh? Here. There we go. Sorry. It took me a long time, but here we go. Yeah. Yeah. And I'm on this one. So. Yeah. 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 But. Oh well. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. I'm pretty new, pretty bad, but I'm trying. I'm trying to push through, trying to get better, and hopefully. Oh snap! This thing is running in the background. Oh no! Wait. Oh. Nah, I'm doing it for myself. I'm doing it for myself. Just for personal reasons. My thing is okay. Would I have to? Huh. Oh snap! Thanks for the follow. Uh okay, that's a lot. Me personally. Okay. Thank you, thank you. I'd say personally fetch, but I'm just trying it out. I'm just trying it out right now. Wait, is that not right? You're good. You're good. Uh-oh. Cannot find module. Oh. I'm using fetch. I'm I'm using fetch. Hold up. Okay. Okay. Hopefully. Please. Hopefully I'm not missing anything in here. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Okay.
Did this get changed around? Not yet. Whew. Okay, I'm just waiting on this to update. And I should be good. Let me check in here. I should really clear this stuff out. I wonder if I can clear it out. Yuck. Not yet. Oh well. For fetch? Oh yeah, for Axios, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to keep. Okay, my thing is with the project as it is right now, I want to keep in the package JSON as possible. I want to like really learn Angular and Cloud Functions. Like I understand that web development is a lot of like npm and stuff, but I don't know. I really want to like build stuff raw. I don't know why I like doing that. I like doing it with my CSS. I like doing it with my JavaScript. I just like building stuff like without any like deprecation or anything. Does this work? Did everything go through? Yes. No. Oops. Let's try. It's not defined. Wait, what? Get results. Bible ID. Bible ID. In here when it says Bible ID. Oh. Okay. Uh. Is that what that would be? Hmm? But then that would throw an error. Inside the curly braces. Okay, wait. Just that, right?
Never read the key, right? Oops.
Keep. Oh. Okay, I'm good now. Okay. Let's try it again. I'm pretty sure this is throwing errors every minute. Yep. Alright. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. And, Juan, I don't know if you're in here, but, just a heads up. I try to stream every day at about 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Because I'm from, that was my cat. I'm from Texas. So, yeah. Vercel or something like that? Nah, I'm gonna deploy it from Firebase hosting. That's what I just prefer doing nowadays is Firebase hosting. And if I ever choose to have a dedicated URL, I'll just link all the DNS stuff to Firebase hosting and reroute it from there. But for free, I can just use Firebase hosting and do it like that. So, not. I like to keep it a little bit simple, a little bit free. Yep, it's free. Oh snap! We are live. What just happened? What is this telling me? Because it was going up here. Cool. But the data is what? Dang it. I'm trying to read this in here and it's just a lot. Was that something? This doesn't even exist. Wait.
Oh, this is just so complicated. It's not even allowing it to finish the process because I still have that leftover Axio stuff. Yeah. Because I still have that leftover Axio stuff in there.
Actually, hold up.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Quick. Like 2 minutes. Hopefully everything is done. I hate that I have to like reload the page every single time.
This one? Oh.
Okay. Awesome.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I still need the. Oh. Okay. Okay. And I will put that here, I believe. Oh, I'll put it. What the heck? I would put it. Yeah. Uh-oh. My YouTube just crashed. Okay. We're good now. Nothing is here. Hopefully I'm still live on YouTube, even though it's showing nothing. I think it did get added. The T? Thank you, thank you. Where does all this get? No. Oh, okay. Okay. And just pull in different ones each time, right? Is this different? No. These are not different. These aren't different. Or maybe it's because... No, we're still doing that. Huh. Is it pulling the same one every single time? It's like, that's a weird coincidence if it's... Oops. Hmm. That's so weird. Hmm. To an async function. Oh well. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this one more time. And I'm gonna take a break.
I'm gonna take a break because I've made a lot of progress, and I didn't think I would make this much progress today.
But here we are. It's been a good coding day.
I just don't want this running every minute. So I'm setting that back to every day at midnight. And I'm going to come back tomorrow, but in the meantime, I'm going to be reading over these docs because eventually, well, tomorrow, I want to come back and whatever data is in here, I would like it to make a document. I would like whatever data is in here, I would like to make a document out of,
what does it say? It says data in the JSON payload data passages 0 content. I want to take that. Yeah, I want to take that and put it into a Firestore document. So that, so that I'm not firing cloud functions every time someone visits. I just want to make that and then read from that Firestore document as needed. So, yeah. With that being said, I think I'm out. HTML tags. Yeah. Well, I would just have to make my own tags in the CSS. For example, like it's gonna be sitting in here. So in my CSS, I would have to do my own, styling. But yeah, it's a thing. Not a terrible thing, but it's a thing. At least I have the data. I'm just grateful for that. So, yeah. Actually, I could do something that's like, I could split it or splice it or whatever and take whatever is after this span thing and then well, this is only one verse, so I still need to figure out what it would look like if multiple verses are being taken. So, yeah, but proto, nope, that's not it. That's not it either. Huh. Jeez.
Okay. Well, yeah.
I don't want to overdo myself. It's tough to criticize some honest and free work these people are doing. Yeah. That's why I'm not really upset, because at the end of the day, I could still use like JavaScript methods and splice some stuff so I can get the raw text. So, yeah. Hopefully. So, but I think that's it for me today. I'll probably come back tomorrow 5 p.m. Central Standard Time and get right back to it. Get to making Firestore documents so that I can put it. Thank you for joining, so that I can put it in action here. So, and then I can do some more stuff on the front end as far as styling or whatever. So yeah.
Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, I'm out. Peace.